Hello friends. Today's video is about khichdi made with cucumber. This video shows how to easily prepare khichdi, one of the main items in an Onam feast. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare khichdi with cucumber, a cup of cucumber cut into small pieces has been taken. Now a clay pot has been placed on the stove to prepare the khichdi. Add the cut cucumber to it. Also add 1 cup of water to it. Add the required salt for the khichdi at this time. Now turn on the stove, cover it and cook it. At this time a small mixer jar has been taken. Add half a cup of grated coconut to it. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add 2 green chilies and pour a quarter cup of water and use the mixer to make a fine paste. The amount of green chilies can be increased or decreased according to the spice level. Now let's open the lid. The cucumber has now cooked well. At this time, add the ground paste to it. Now mix it well. To remove the raw smell of the paste, simmer it for about 2 minutes. It has now thickened well. At this time, the stove can be turned off. After it cools down, add the curd to it. I am adding 1 cup of mashed curd here. Now mix it well. At this time, place another pan on the stove, add 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Fry it and add it to the khichdi, cover it immediately. After about half a minute, open it and mix it well. Now the khichdi made with cucumber is ready here. This khichdi, which can be served for an Onam feast, can be easily prepared at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel. Try to watch them. So a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.